Hello, I'm Chris Gaskin. Welcome to my channel, Ultra Woody. If you're new, a very big welcome. Okay, Christmas is coming up, and in the last 6 weeks I've been making these. They're little mushrooms to hang on a Christmas tree. So I finished one, and I take it into the missus and show her and say, look at that. And she goes, very nice, what are they for? And I say, to hang on a Christmas tree. She goes, oh, that's a great idea, but not our tree. Okay, alright. She wants gold, and I do happen to have some gold leaf, so I'm going to make 5 mushrooms with gold leaf for my tree, or my wife's tree, to be honest. Okay, what I'm using, I've got some oak, it's about 25mm thick, and some walnut for the stems. Okay, alright then, let's get cracking. If you're still with me, thanks for staying till the end. Alright, I've finished my mushrooms, and there they are. Gold leaf mushrooms with a U stem. Okay, I've only just glued them, so I'm surprised they're still holding, but that's okay. Okay, yeah, well, putting a gold leaf on can be a bit patchy. I don't know if you can see that. There's a few white bits showing through where there's primer underneath. It adds to the character. I'm going to put these down. Alright, where is it? Is that you? You can go back in the hole. Alright. There we go. So, as I was saying, they are a little bit patchy. It adds to the character, which translates to I'm not going over it. They are what they are. So, walnut stem, gold leaf top. Okay. Yeah, nice little project. It's fairly quick to do, quick to turn. Sticking this stuff on was a little bit fiddly, but that's okay. Yeah, anyway, the wife should be pleased. I'll wait for these to glue a bit harder, then I'll take them into her. Alright then, I hope to get another video out before Christmas, but if I don't, have a happy Christmas. Don't forget to share, subscribe and like, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye.